We're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document to two-sided on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 printer. Now the document feeder for this printer only scans single-sided, which means that we need to copy the odd pages first, followed by the even pages. We will show you how to do that. So let's place the document that we want to copy onto the ADF. Page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4, page 5, and page 6. So let's place this document onto the ADF. We will place into the ADF with page 1 facing upwards. Remember to use the paper guides. Next, let us head over to the front panel. Tap on the control panel to wake up the printer. Select copy. Let's go to settings. Scroll until you see two-sided. Make sure that it is one-sided to one-sided. Then go back and tap on color copy. So in order to copy the second side, remove the document from the document feeder. It is in this orientation. Rotate it and place it back into the document feeder with page 6 facing upwards. Let's take a look at the printed copy. So page 1, page 3, and page 5 has been printed. Okay, once again it is in this orientation. You need to rotate the paper and put it back into the input tray. Once that is done, you can tap on OK to dismiss the prompt and select copy. Select color. So let's take a look at the printed output. So this is page 1, and it's page 2, this is page 3, and this is page 4, page 5, and page 6. So this is how you do a two-sided document copy to two-sided on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 printer.